Ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
To not have jail time.
You just ghosted us.
I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program.
So you just go through the motions, you don't really receive what it is that you're getting. The court's going to order 93 days jail.
Welcome back to the court bench. Today, we're looking at the case of Autumn Bolchek, who appeared before the court for multiple probation violations, including a new drug-related charge. The proceedings focus on whether Bolchek should be sent to jail or be given another chance at rehabilitation through tethered treatment. What starts as a seemingly routine plea takes a dramatic turn when Miss Bolchek's honesty about needing treatment is put to the test. Let's dive right into her all but subtle honest admission.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, you can please order your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your, enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty, and that would be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge that she just took a plea on. And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchek, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days. I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am, let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if it, I don't really know. Because
ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Get out of jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Ouch. Judge DeSanto has extracted a brutal moment of truth. The judge's persistent questioning forces Ms. Bolchek to admit her true motivation for requesting treatment: to avoid jail. This directly undermines her previous statements and paints a picture of dishonesty. From the court's perspective, this isn't a genuine desire for help, but an attempt to game the system. Under Michigan law, judicial discretion in sentencing, outlined in cases like People v. Tanner, considers not just the crime, but also the defendant's character, prospects for rehabilitation, and honesty. This admission severely damages Ms. Bolchek's standing in the judge's eyes, signaling a lack of sincerity that will undoubtedly impact her sentence.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, so, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know. I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know. I just want to get going on life.
Well, man, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You're just ghosted us.
I know, if I get probation this time, I told myself, like, you know, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get like clean, and you know, by summertime I'd be, you know, working. I really want to get a car. But aside from the job thing, just, you know, I want to draw and make music, and I don't know, I just want to do things for myself. And I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that like I've been doing since I've been in here. So I haven't been.
Ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff? Right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to court 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motion, you go through the motions. So you just go through the motions, you don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, yeah. I don't know. It's just, it feels different. It feels really different.
Well, here's what.
Is there any probation that you think we need to, but, you
Judge,
know,
we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation. I can tell you that much.
And just like that, the hammer drops. Judge DeSanto makes it explicitly clear, no more probation. This decision reflects the judge's loss of faith in Ms. Bolchek's ability or willingness to comply with her probationary terms, especially given her repeated violations and now her conflicting statements about treatment. Revoking probation and imposing jail time is a standard consequence for such violations. The closed case without improvement also indicates the court's determination that further probationary oversight would be fruitless in this instance.
The court's going to, on 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will know that will be served concurrent. And then the court's going to also order on 232479, the court's going to order 93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405. And the court will suspend your fines and costs on this matter.
what?
Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93, plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
no, that's not,
So you can do the jail time.
ma'am, I'll do treatment.
And quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and you're absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond from your treatment provider.
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
The problem was, when I went to sheriff, I asking for people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here. I'm gonna need.
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here. I have my,
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
somebody,
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
I really don't, I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I
You
do.
know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in. Because I do have a drug.
Judge, potentially, Judge, I know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we have to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Bolchak, I'm not ordering treatment for you at this point because you stated that you don't need treatment and you only asked for it so that you didn't have to do jail time. Given that and the fact that you had absconded from probation with this court, the court is concerned that you're not going to abscond from treatment. So at this point, 138 days is what you're going to serve, ma'am. We're all done. Thank you. Off the record. Have a good day.
This case offers a stark reminder about the importance of honesty as well as consistent behavior in the legal system. Autumn Bolchak was sentenced to a total of 138 days in jail, with credit for 15 days already served. This sentence reflects the judge's assessment of her repeated probation violations, her new criminal charge, and crucially, her lack of candor regarding her desire for treatment. While specific public records beyond this transcript for Ms. Bolchak are not readily available to track her post-sentencing journey, this outcome is a clear example of how courts handle multiple probation violations and a defendant's attempts to manipulate the system. In many jurisdictions, including Michigan, where penalties for technical probation violations can escalate, a judge has the authority to revoke probation and impose jail or even prison time, especially when new criminal offenses are committed and there's a history of absconding. Ms. Bolchak's sentence underscores that the privilege of probation comes with strict obligations, and deceiving the court has severe consequences. Thank you for watching. Comment down below your thoughts on this case, and if you like this video, please subscribe to get the latest from our channel.